In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in MyFitnessPal. This app can help you track your nutrition and fitness journey effectively, so let's dive right in. First, open the MyFitnessPal app. You will see a clean and user-friendly interface. The home screen usually displays your daily calorie intake and nutritional goals. By launching the app, you ensure you have access to all your tracking features. Seeing your history helps you understand your eating habits over time. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything else you'll do in the app. Next, tap the More tab. This tab is typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click it, you'll see various options that expand the app's capabilities. This area contains settings, premium features, and additional tracking tools. By accessing this tab, you're getting closer to reviewing your history. The More tab is your gateway to deeper insights about your nutrition journey. After that, click Nutrition. This option will take you to a detailed view of your food intake. You will find various statistics related to your calories, nutrients, and other dietary components. Understanding your nutrition is vital for making informed choices about your diet. This step is important as it directs you toward the specific data you want to analyze. Now select one of the three tabs at the top: Calories, Nutrients, or Macros. The Calories tab shows your total calorie consumption, while the Nutrients tab focuses on vitamins and minerals. The Macros tab breaks down your intake of proteins, carbs, and fats. Choosing the right tab allows you to focus on the aspect of your nutrition that matters most to you. This little step saves you time later by directing your attention to the information you need the most. Next, tap the Time Frame drop-down menu right below the tabs. This menu allows you to switch between a 7-day view or a 14-day view. By selecting your preferred time frame, you can get a snapshot of your nutrition over a specific period. This helps you identify patterns in your eating habits. The visual representation of your food history aids in making adjustments to your diet if necessary. Once that is done, you should see your historical data displayed clearly. The information will reflect your activity over the chosen time frame, making it easy to analyze your progress. This overview is beneficial for tracking your adherence to dietary goals. You will feel more in control of your nutrition when you can see your past data displayed. After reviewing your history, take some time to reflect on your patterns. Consider how they align with your health goals. This is a fundamental step in making informed decisions about your eating habits. You might find areas for improvement or realize what works best for you. With that ready, you can now use this information to refine your nutrition approach. Whether you want to increase protein intake or cut down on sugars, having a clear history helps. You are empowered to make choices that support your fitness journey. In conclusion, seeing your history in MyFitnessPal is straightforward. By following these steps, you ensure that you can track your progress effectively. You will gain valuable insights that can significantly impact your health. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.